Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly why most YouTube videos perform better at night. Not just most YouTube videos, but I think basically every video perform better at night. Now you might find it quite very strange. Did I just say you might quite it? Sorry guys, you might find it quite very strange that YouTube videos actually perform better at night, because to you feel people are sleeping by that time probably, so there's nobody that will be online to watch those videos. But actually the truth is that most people are active during the night than the daytime. Okay, so now let me break it down for you. Now imagine you go to work on a Monday morning. Everybody hates going to work on Mondays because Mondays are quite stressful, unlike Fridays. Now imagine you go to work on a Monday morning, and then with all the hectic environment and all the tedious jobs that you do, you then sit down in your leisure time, you decide to go online and watch some YouTube videos, and then after your break is over you go back to work again, and then before you go back home. Now most people would think during the daytime you are going to have more time to watch videos, but that is not the fact. The fact is that when you get home at night, when you are resting, when you are done with your work for the whole day, that is when you have time to watch YouTube videos. Because during the daytime you have very little time, and most people don't even watch at all. Because why? They are so busy that they don't even have time for their phones. But when they are back from work, anything from 5 p.m 6 p.m, when they are back from work, that is when they are always online. So but do not always use this strategy when posting your video. Why? Because first of all, you need to check your analytics and check to see when your viewers are always online. So by now I'm sure you know how to check to see when your viewers are always online. If you don't know how to check that, let me know and I'll just show you guys how to always check when your YouTube viewers are always online. Now post your videos around that period, around that time frame when your viewers are mostly online. So if you post your videos by 3 p.m during the day, 3 p.m, your viewers are most likely to be at work or in school, depending on the kind of audience you have. Okay, and also the location of your audience, because if you are in Africa, you might post your video by 3 p.m and you have audiences mostly from Europe. That means when you are posting your video by 3 p.m your audiences might probably be sleeping, because in Europe it might be like 2 a.m 1 a.m or even 4 a.m over there. Meanwhile over here it's 4 p.m it's 3 p.m So you need to know your audiences first, know their location, then before you will now be able to decipher what time you should be posting your videos for those videos to go viral. So if you have audiences from these European countries, then definitely you should know how to time the posting schedule of your videos. But if your viewers are from the same location and the same time zone as you, it's very simple. So what you do is check when they are always online, like using your YouTube analytics, check when they are always online, and then post your videos like 1 hour before that particular time. Do you understand? Because our viewers are almost online every time. If you check your analytics, you see that they are online every single time, but majority of them have a particular time that they always come online on YouTube. So you need to know when the viewers are mostly online. And then back to what we're talking about, posting at night. You post at night. I advise you to post at night because most of our viewers are online at night. When they are back from work, they go back home, they find something to relax with, and most of them come to YouTube and they watch a whole lot of videos on YouTube before retiring to bed, and then the next day they go back to work and the routine continues. So you don't expect somebody who's very busy at work to always be online watching YouTube when they have work to attend to. So it is when they get back home from work that they will not have time for YouTube. Okay, so your videos will likely go more viral when you post at the time that your viewers are not the time that your viewers are mostly online, which in my own experience and what I have seen so far on YouTube is usually from evening to night time, because that is when most of them are active. They are back from work, and even the ones who are schooling are back from school. Okay, so that is the best time to post your YouTube videos. Post them when your viewers are online. One of the times that they are online is at night, and also check your analytics to know when most of them are online, because based on the kind of content you create, your viewers might not really necessarily be online at night, depending on the kind of content you create. So some might be online during the daytime while some will be online during the night time. But if you really want to go viral, and you studied your audience very well, the best time to post is when your audiences are relaxing, when your audience are resting, not when they are working. So study them very well, find out what works for you and what works for them, and give them what works for them. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you want to learn more about content creation, about YouTube monetization, you want me to lay more emphasis, or you have something you want me to explain better about, just let me know in the comment section. Don't forget that this channel, we talk about finance, we talk about YouTube monetization, content creation, and also AI. Yes, using AI for content creation, using AI for monetization, and also making money online. So let me know in the comment section if you have anything you want me to discuss about on this channel. Okay, my name is Moses, and I'll see you guys in the next video.